I'm just gonna take my time loving me.
Told us.
Hey, Gems.
We go to school and we hear older kids talking.
So I'm listening to this audiobook, but so today is February 4th, and I'm in the process of preparing for AgriFest, which is the weekend of the 15th. So it's a 3-day, it's like, I would say the biggest market event on St. Croix. So I'm tired. It's a 3-day event, 15th, 16th, and 17th. And I have less than 2 weeks to finish preparing. And I also have a wholesale order to fill this week, which I need to drop it off by probably tomorrow because she gotta send it over to St. Thomas. So I wholesale my products, well, some of my products at a local natural hair and beauty store here on island, and she has 2 locations. So she has a location on St. Croix and a location on St. Thomas. It's called Miss Naturalista, and my products sell very well in her store, especially in her St. Thomas location. But in order to fill her order, I need to make more Yoni wash because I am all out. I'm not even exaggerating, but like, my Yoni wash is becoming my #1 selling product, and I'm not. Like, the turmeric butter used to be #1, and now the Yoni wash is like going crazy, as well as the almond coconut butter. The almond coconut butter is selling more than the turmeric butter now. Crazy. As well as my hair spray and hair oil. Those 4 products, that's 4, right? Yeah, those 4 products, I'm literally always restocking on those 4 products. So I'm making my biggest batch of Yoni wash yet in this big stainless steel bowl here. This bowl is huge. I could sit in this bowl. I'm not gonna show y'all how I make my Yoni wash, because that's not what this video is about. But I am documenting me getting ready for AgriFest a little bit. I'm trying to make content, y'all, bear with me, because I have a lot going on. I'm also working right now. But anyways, while I'm working, I want to go ahead and infuse my herbs for my Yoni wash. And I want to show y'all that, like, I'm not joking when I say I literally infuse my products with herbs. Okay, literally. There's another one at the bottom that I can't show y'all right now because I don't have on my gloves. I stopped recording by mistake. But yeah, so I'm about to infuse my herbs real quick so that go ahead and steep while I get some work done on my laptop. I have to heat up some more water to add to this, but my kettle is only so big, so I do it in batches. Oh, and it smells so good, y'all. So the color of my Yoni wash is like this purplish color, and that's due to the herbs. It has no artificial colors in my Yoni wash, and my ingredients are very simple. But anyways, I was talking to the owner of Miss Naturalista the other day when she was asking me about her order, and she was telling me that the Yoni wash is becoming so popular, and did I tell, because she sells other stuff in her store, of course, she's a retail store, but did I tell their customers that my Yoni wash is better than Honey Pot? And I felt like, really? Thank you. That's a huge compliment, okay? Because everybody knows Honey Pot. It's like very known amongst the Black community of women when it comes to feminine products. I use Honey Pot menstrual pads, but I don't use their feminine wash. I have my own, so that's all y'all need to know. I have my own. So where's my water? Oh, here it is. I should really get out my phone stand and stop acting like if I don't have 2 phone stands in here. I here trying to hold the camera and do things, and I have a damn phone stand. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, so I was so happy to hear that they tell people, they tell their customers that my Yoni wash is better than Honey Pot, and it really sells fast. I'm not even joking with y'all. I am literally always making this Yoni wash, and I started making bigger and bigger and bigger batches. So today I'm making 600 ounces of Yoni wash. It's my biggest batch yet. So I just wanted to share that because I'm very proud of me. I'm really trying to transition my business into more of the feminine and wound care aspect of it. So knowing that my Yoni wash is such a big seller makes me feel good. So now I'm gonna start promoting my other womb wellness products and feminine care products. I also have a Yoni oil. I can't show you all the Yoni wash because, like I said, I'm out of stock. But I also have a Yoni oil that sells very well, and the Yoni serum. And I started to do Yoni bundles on my website, so you can go on my website and buy the entire Yoni bundle. And some of the bundles include the Yoni Love herbal tea. Anyways, that's not what this video is about, but like I said, I'm getting ready for AgriFest. Today I am making my Yoni wash, so this will be, I guess, a day in my life video making my Yoni wash or whatever. I don't know. So my herbs have been steeping for maybe 20-30 minutes. And the only reason I let it steep that long is because it's a very large batch, so it's gonna stay hot. So now I need to strain it, and this is where this is where it gets interesting, because you see this bowl? This bowl is huge. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I gotta strain all of this by myself, and I don't have anyone here to hold the strainer for me. So I usually get it done by I'll just have to dip it out in smaller portions, but I'd rather just pour it out. Anyways, I'm about to get my gloves on and start this process, because it is a process. However, this is one of the products that I actually enjoy making. Even right now, in here smells so heavenly. The combination of like the clove and the lavender and the rose, it smells so good. So anyways, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm about to strain this thing, but I was just sitting here, well, I'm just here thinking, right? Because I'm listening to an audiobook. I'm listening to The Fifth Agreement, and he was talking about how he said something about like how powerful the mind is, and how we can cause ourselves a lot of, I'm not quoting what he said, I'm just paraphrasing, but he pretty much said like we can cause ourselves a lot of suffering just for like how we think, pretty much what we allow to live in our minds. Like the mind is such a powerful thing that based on your perception, your thoughts and beliefs, you can cause yourself a lot of suffering and pain and stuff. And that is so true, first of all, but the way he said it made me think about it in a lot of different ways, because I know how my mind works. First of all, I'm listening to the book in the first place because due to my past and due to things that I've been through, there's a lot of rewiring and reprogramming I need to do mentally. Like literally rewire my psyche in terms of how I think about myself and my thought process that when things happen, really knowing, because it's easy to say I know things aren't happening to me, it's happening for me and all of these things, but actually believing it and knowing it is a whole different thing. So I am literally trying to rewire my mind to think more positively in general, but more positively about myself and my life and the things that I've been through. Because honestly, like healing the psychological damage caused by abuse and trauma and stuff is literally the hardest part of the healing journey. So although I am doing a lot better, I am still struggling with that part. But anyways, I say all that to say this. The mind is such a powerful tool, a powerful thing. And at the end of the day, no matter how hard something may be, it's not impossible, right? But 90% of change starts with the mind. It starts with you rewiring or reprogramming your mind to think differently, and whether it's about yourself, about a situation, about whatever it is. So even changes that we want to make for ourselves, we usually just don't wake up and be like, it's time to start working out. You gotta get your mind right. You gotta get motivated and disciplined. All of that starts in the mind. So it sucks when people say stuff like, I can't do that. It's not that you can't, you're just choosing not to. Anyways, that's it for my little TED Talk. It's raining, I hope y'all can hear me. Can y'all hear that? Welcome to the islands. But everything in life is a choice. Every single thing in life is a choice. So it's never that we can't. Just don't want to, or you choose not to. So that's something that kind of triggers me sometimes when people tell me like, I can't. I'm like, really, you can't, or you don't want to, or you're choosing not to. Whether it's about themselves, something they need to do with themselves, something that has to do with me, or anything in general. Yes, it could be hard, but it's not impossible. You have to just make the choice to make that step, to change your mind, to get your mind right in order to make that change. It is raining so loud right now. I feel like I'm talking extremely loud. Anyways, I'm draining this and I will be back. Anyways, I just came back on here to show y'all my progress. I'm almost done with my Yoni wash. I just have to add. So I just need to add the last ingredient that's gonna thicken her up. And then that's it. I'll blend her. Well, let me blend her. I'm gonna use the immersion blender to you know, mix everything in real good, and that's it. It's a lot, y'all. I wish I could really show y'all how big this bowl is. I have it sitting on top of something because I didn't want to have to lift it off the table when I'm done because it'll be too heavy. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna go finish that up because then I have to bottle everything, and that's gonna take some time too. So I'm about to start bottling this. I'm tired, y'all. I could take a nap. This is my little setup for now. When I move, I'm gonna have a lot more space, but I'm making what I have work for now. And I'm gonna need more bottles than I have out right now. So once I done full those, then I'll transfer them onto my other table and then put more empty bottles. But it's a process. So let me turn off the fan. Oh gosh, I never realized just how loud the fan is. I just came back on here to wrap this video up because I didn't get to finish filming earlier. Literally, as soon as I finished putting the covers on the bottles, my boys got home and I had to go like straight into mommy mode. So to feed them, bathe them, get them in bed, well, not in that order, but read to them, all of that good stuff. And then I had to wash dishes, straighten up a little bit, and every night, like, I prepped their stuff for school tomorrow. So like I would cut up their fruits, set their water, put out their snacks and stuff. So I did all of that. Exhausted. I did all of that, and then I got something to eat, went and take a shower, and now here I am. Right now it's like 10, a little after 10 maybe. I'm so tired. Y'all see my eyes? Anyways, let me see if I can show y'all. I think I got, trying to like, oof. So these are all the bottles. I haven't labeled them yet. And then I have more on the other table over there. but I haven't labeled them yet because I realized I need to go print more labels. I only had a half sheet of labels, but I just labeled one bottle so y'all could see how the final product look. Anyways, so this is how the final product look. You see that color? That color is so beautiful to me. I love to see it. It's like a deep purple. And then the label, so pretty. Look at the details. There's a lotus flower. But yeah, so that's it for today. I'm gonna have to go get some labels printed tomorrow so that I can label some, so I can label them and pack my wholesale order. Some of the bottles have to go in my wholesale order. And then yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm so tired. I've been looking crazy ever since Sunday. I took down my hair and washed it, so my roots are growing out again. So yeah, I'm just gonna look a little crazy for the next couple weeks. Anyways, that is all. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And to all of my melanated women, protect your womb by any means necessary. And to everyone watching, protect your peace by any means necessary. I wish you all love, light, and prosperity, and you will see me in my next video. Peace. I forgot to mention that I don't only wholesale these, they're also available on my website. So if you want to try it out, click the link in the description box below and place your order. And when you sign up for my email list, you get 10% off your first order. So click the link to subscribe to the email list and then go to the website and place your order.